Good morning from here. Don't come again with Obonge Toby. Come our table this morning. We are reporting from Legit Donset TV. Make you not forget to subscribe, and also make you always visit our YouTube channel for more updates. So as it is hot, make we enter the Toby we carry us come this table this morning. The first headline: IPOB don't want Nigerian government over the killings for Southeast. IPOB don't want Nigerian government over the killing for Southeast, and herdsmen, those people where they carry cow, they walk up and down. You know, say that always they complain, say whether those people then they use because of that cow, they destroy people farm. You know, when people go plant farm, they will use the cow to destroy the crops. And women not the feel they go farm again because of the ongoing killings for Southeast. So you can't have to say Nigerian government, they know they chook mad to put for inside, they know they put mind for those things where they happen. So IPOB can't rise against them, can't they want Nigerian government over those things. So the second one now, Ifeanyi Ubah, when I remember say he go Lagos international market for Alaba international market for Lagos, go protest. So during the campaign, so IPOB Biafrans, they come outside, they sing Nnamdi Kanu song, they praise Nnamdi Kanu for him presence. He can't use disgrace to come up for there. He not free talk, he not free do anything. Now shame now he take come up for there, because waiting he expect he not see him. He dey feel say when he go there, maybe people go support him. But everybody there against them. They call they sing holy, 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 holy Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Now that song now be waiting just the ring for that place. So he can't there, he can't say nobody support him. Waiting he can't say he can't come out. He can't enter motor, he can't come out. Shame. Now he catch him when he leave that place. Governor Obiano 8 dumps APGA for PDP. Governor Obiano 8 dumps APGA for PDP. Governor Obiano 8 leave PDP, leave APGA, come enter PDP. How soldier at Oriental smashed my phone and threw it into river. How soldier at Oriental smashed my phone and threw it into river. Girl cries out. So we go look into this matter as it happen. For the girl when they cry say they smashed a phone. I know according to her, she thought say when she did for bike, so the machine can't carry on, because they call it one place people say they go use their leg to cross the place. So when she can't go, person can't call her for her to pick the call. The navy the coffee say the armed force the coffee say she dey video them. So she called, they explain to them say she not the video, they say na person they call her. So on the process they not listen to the girl, they call carry the phone, smash them for ground. So the girl called the fee pay because of the phone, because she said that na the phone now she take the chop for living. As it be say, if you look at for Nigeria, work not there anywhere. If you see many graduates today, many of them na Okada work that they do, many of them na concrete work, many of them na some of them they drive keke, you see many of them. Whereas people wey be say dem no even go school, na dem na dey for seats. Old people wey be say dem don reach to retire, wey dem don reach to resign, dem no dey gree dey resign. Dem still dey there. So the youth now wey suppose to dey lead the country now, na dem na come dey suffer, dey do all this petty job. So now the girl now, on her one side, na the phone she take dey see food dey chop. So when she talk that one, she say na the phone she dey use food, she dey take dey see food dey chop. Na the Navy man smash am for ground. So on the process, she come dey beg am say make him release his SIM give am, her SIM give am. So the Navy man come collect the SIM and the phone, throw am for inside river. So na so that one thing happen. Upon the pleading, the Navy man not still here. Governor Obiano's aides dumps APG aid for PDP. They leave in a group for campaign. They can't leave him. Enter PDP. Ifeanyi Ubah at Alaba Market International goes disgrace. Ifeanyi Ubah for he go, you know, so I remember say he go Alaba Market for Lagos State. He go there, go do campaign. When he reach there, wetin the eye see, you no expect am. So na disgrace na him take comot for the place, for the Lagos, for the market, and disgrace he take comot for there. No be small thing that day. No be small thing. IPOB blows horse once Igbos send strong message to Nigerian government for the